What we're hoping to be able to show the participants in our workshop is that conflict resolution is really about the emotional de-escalation that has happened, which needs to be restored, where there needs to be an understanding and appreciation of the underlying emotions that have created the disconnect in an environment where we are connected through the desire to be attached to each other. And in this process of understanding, we will then create a much more harmonious way for dealing with conflicts. That is first and foremost. The second aspect is to understand that conflicts are not just simply an open warfare, but rather conflicts show their face in being de-engaged, being unaware of the context, being inactive in the problem-solving process, being simply the person who puts their head down to get their work done, and as a means of not wanting to engage with other people because they've had difficult interactions. All of those conflicts are conflicts, but we just don't often see them as that. And so that's part of our process of being able to share with the participants this knowledge and get them to experience how to go through this process and find a way to restore those critical relationships, either as people responsible in an organization for that, or as individuals in a conflict themselves.
We hope you will join us at the workshop. Sign up and we'll see you there.